Kamala Harris is a prominent advocate for healthcare reform and has consistently championed policies that expand access to affordable care. Throughout her career, she has advocated for universal healthcare coverage and has been a vocal critic of policies that undermine the Affordable Care Act. Harris's most well-known position on healthcare is her support for Medicare for All. She has endorsed Senator Bernie Sanders' Medicare for All bill, which would replace private health insurance with a single-payer system. Harris has stated that she believes in a single-payer healthcare system, where the government provides universal coverage to all citizens. Harris has also supported a public option for health insurance, a plan that would allow people to buy into a government-run health insurance plan. In 2018, she co-sponsored the Choose Medicare Act, which would have created a public option and expanded Affordable Care Act subsidies. The stance reflects a more moderate approach to healthcare reform, recognizing the existing role of private insurance, while also expanding government-provided options. In addition to her support for Medicare for All and a public option, Harris has also proposed other healthcare-related policies. She has advocated for expanding access to mental health care, lowering the cost of prescription drugs, and increasing funding for public health initiatives. Harris has been a vocal critic of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017, arguing that it disproportionately benefits wealthy Americans and corporations at the expense of working families. She has proposed repealing the tax cuts for the wealthy and using the revenue to fund her health care plan. During her 2020 presidential campaign, Harris released a health plan that called for transitioning to a Medicare for All system over 10 years. This plan would have automatically placed infants and the uninsured into the system, while others could choose to buy in. It was met with criticism from both Democrats and Republicans. Harris has consistently spoken out against efforts to weaken or repeal the Affordable Care Act. She has criticized the Trump administration for its attempts to undermine the law and has pledged to protect and strengthen the Affordable Care Act if she becomes president.